Now let's continue our series of verbal ability. Today we're starting a new topic, question tags. Now let's discuss what is question tag, where we use this question tag, what are the different forms of question tag. Now to discuss each one by one as follow. Okay, I will start this 1 minute. Okay. Our topic, question tags. Where we use question tag? We use question tag to confirm the truth. Suppose I say he is eating, whether ఆడు అతను తింటున్నాడు అవునా అనేదాన్ని మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ రూపంలో ఏ విధంగా వాడతాం అనేది ఈ వీడియోలో మనమైతే చూడబోతున్నాం. మరి ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్, ఈజెంట్ హీ, సపోజ్ whether the sentence is in negative, positive, in our question tag is in negative. Suppose when our sentence is in negative, our question tag will be in positive. In this way, we will write the question tags. We have seen the different rules for this question tag and different exceptions. What are the exceptions of this question tag? We will see this in this series. Now let's move to the topic. We use the question tag to confirm the truth. Yes, the question tag mainly used to confirm whether the sentence is right or no, yes or no. The question tag is divided by a comma. The sentence and the question tag should be divided with a comma. The question tag always begins with a small letter. In this question tag, there is no capital letters. We use only the small letters. Question tag always ends with a question mark. Yes, we usually any question can end with a question mark. We should use the pronouns in question tag. Suppose Neha can dance. In a question tag, we can write can't she, not can't Neha, can't Sai, can't Mahesh, can't Suresh, can't Raju, can't Ravi, can't Vasu. These type of names not come. Only the pronouns will come. Instead of the nouns, we use the pronouns. Whether it is a boy or whether it is a girl. In this way, we use this. Now let's see, move to the topic. Here, we use the pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. We already know these pronouns. And for example, he can dance. You can write the question that this part is this is the question tag part. Can't he? First we write the subject. What's the subject? We can write the end of the question tag. Then we choose this what's this main verb or a helping verb. Here can is a helping verb. So we can write can't. Here it is positive. So we can add not to this helping verb. Can plus not, can't. This is about the he can dance. It is a statement. Can't he? It is a question tag. This is about how we can write the question tag for a positive sentence to the negative sentence and negative sentence to a positive sentence. We can confirm the truth of this question tag. So we can remove my drawing and then move to next slide. First, the rule one. A positive statement take the negative question. We already discussed whether the statement is negative, whether the statement is positive, the question tag must be negative. Whether the statement is negative, the question tag must be positive. Now let's see draw one by one for these question tags so that from here he is playing cricket. First, what we do? First, we can write the subject to the end of the question tag. He. Remember, there is no alphabetical, there is no capital letters. We using only the small letters. Now let's see the helping word. Here the helping word is. Whether the statement is positive. So we can write the negative. Isn't, is plus not, isn't he. Every question tag can end with question mark. This is the answer for he is playing cricket. Isn't he? అతడు అతడు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నాడు. అతడు ఆడుతున్నాడా? ఈజెంట్ హీ. హీ ఈస్ ప్లేయింగ్ క్రికెట్. ఈజెంట్ హీ. నో లెట్స్ మూవ్ టు సెకండ్ వన్. ఐ షుడ్ గో టు ఢిల్లీ. నో ఫస్ట్ we can write I. Here we can write I. Now later should plus not goes to shouldn't. Shouldn't I? This is a question tag. It is a positive. We can write negative. Morally will come. Here morally is he. So we can write he. Now we can write by the end we can write question mark. Now we see the helping verb. Here the helping verb is will. Will plus here the question is positive. So we can write will plus not. Will plus not equal to willen or not. Will plus not equal to won't. We can't know this word. We will lose the one mark. Will plus not equal to won't. Won't he? Here is the solution for third one. No. Sita was reading the book. Here Sita is she. Now we can write she and end with question mark. Now let's see whether the sentence is positive or not. Sita was reading the book. There is no negative. So the statement is positive. First we will see whether the statement is positive or not. Positive or negative. The statement is positive. So we can write Sita was reading the book. Here the helping verb is later we see that the helping verb. Here the helping verb is was. Was plus not equal to wasn't. This is about the question tag. Now let's see. Vizag is a clean city. Here Vizag is what we can write Vizag. So Vizag we can write it. Then we can write question mark. Now see the statement. The statement is positive. So we can write the negative statement. Next we can see the what is this helping verb. Here the helping verb is. So we can write is plus not equal to isn't. Isn't it? Now let's see the sixth one. The cat is drinking milk. Here the cat. So we can write it. Then we can write question mark. Now we can see is drink. The helping verb is. So we can write the statement is positive. So we can write negative statement. Isn't it? This is about the different question tags. We can write the positive statements to the negative question tag. The positive statement takes a negative question tag. Where a negative where a negative statement takes a positive question tag. Now let's see the rule 2. Oh no, I will clear these. Then we move to the here on my drawing. Okay. Now let's move to the Next slide, rule 2. Rule 2. A negative statement takes a positive question tag. In rule 1, a positive statement takes a negative question tag. In rule 2, a negative statement takes a positive question tag. How we can write? Now let's see one by one. Here, she can't play cricket. Here we can say, first we can write subject, what is she? And then we can write question mark. Now let's see whether the statement is positive or negative. The statement is negative, then we can write only the helping verb only. Here can't, the helping verb is can. So we can write can. Can she? This is about the question tag, positive question tag. Now let's see the second one. I don't know him. First, you can write the subject. Next we write the question tag. Now we can write question mark. Now let's see whether the statement is positive or negative. The statement is negative. Why? Because there is a not. So we can move to the helping verb. Here the helping verb is do. So we can write do I. This is about the question tag. Now let's see the third one. I won't go to the school. They won't go to the school. First, what we see? First we can write the subject. Then we can write question mark. Then we can see the statement is negative or not. In the statement there is a not, so then it is a negative statement. So we can write the positive question tag. Here the helping verb is will, won't. Won't means will plus not. So we can write will they. Now let's see the fourth one. Here Ravi and Ramesh are not coming. Here Ravi and Ramesh, here two names. So two names we can write they, not we can write Ramesh and Ravi. So Ravi and Ramesh. So we can write J and question tag. We can see whether it is a negative or positive. There is negative, so we can write the positive. What is the helping verb? Are. So we can write are they. This is about this is the star mark bit. Why? Because if anywhere we see the two names or three names, we can use they only. You cannot use he, she, any name or it, any name or any pronoun. You can write they. Now let's see the fifth one. We shan't go there. First of all, what we do, we can write the subject, then we can do question mark. Now let's see the statement is positive or negative. The statement is contained not, so that it is a negative statement. So we can write the positive question tag. Now let's see the helping verb. What is the helping verb? Here we can shall plus not. We can go use shall plus not equal to shan't. So we can write it as shall. Shall we? This is about the rule 2. What the rule 1 says, a statement is positive, we can take negative question tag. What the rule 2 says, a statement is negative, we can take the positive question tag. Wait a minute. No. Let's see the other line. Now let's move to the third rule. Here the third rule is very, very simple and many of them is lost their marks here. Here, you see that I am a teacher. No, what I am saying is first we can write subject, then we can take question mark. Now let's see whether the statement is positive or not negative. The statement is positive. So we can write Next, we can see the helping verb. Here the helping verb is am. So we can write am not. Am not means am and I. But in English, am and is not there. So we can write is, here is not am and I. Here we can write aren't I. This is about the whether the statement is positive and it contains the helping verb am. We can write aren't I. This is no. Let's see the second one. Here we can the given statement is no. First, what we do, we can write the subject. Okay. Now later we can put the question mark. Now let's see the statement. The statement is negative, so we can write the positive statement. Now let's see the helping verb. Helping verb with am I. Yes, it's correct. So in these two cases, we observe that whether the statement is positive, it's containing a helping verb am. It becomes the question tag is are not I. Suppose when the statement is negative, it has a helping verb am, so it becomes am I only. So this is the two cases, very very important. Many of the times asked these questions. The rule two is the rule three is mostly asked the questions of this. Come to am means aren't I, or am not means am I. This is a very two particular cases. This is the question tags. Let's understand. If there is a statement in positive and it contains a helping verb am, the question tag becomes aren't I. Suppose if the statement is negative, it contains a helping verb am, then it gives am I only, not are I, only am I only. This is about the, we have a doubt, I means singular, why you can write R? It's not map. English is given for not map my own. It's as it is what they said, we can say. This is about remembering the, what we remember. If the statement contains positive, it contains helping verb am, we can write aren't. If the statement is negative, it contains a helping verb am, we can write am only. This is the rule 3. I can clear my drawing. Now let's see the rule 4. Rule 4. Where there is no helping verb in the statement, we use do, does, did. From rule 1 and rule 2 and rule 3, we have the helping verb for the statement. Suppose if the statement cannot contain any helping verb, then in that case, how we write the question tags? Now let's see the rule 4. When there is a no helping verb in the statement, we use do, does, did according to the tense of the statement. Here in this question tags also the tenses plays a key role. So first we learn tenses. We can grab the vocabulary in English simply. So if you want to learn the tenses, our tenses playlist are also added in this YouTube. Go and watch one by one video. We can clear knowledge about the tenses. Now let's see the examples. They teach English. First, what we see? First, write the subject, write the question mark. Then we can see the statement is positive or negative. They teach English, so there is no not. So the statement is positive. Now we can search the helping verb. Here the helping verb There's no helping verb. No, in this situation, we can see the verb. Here the verb is teach. Teach is the V1. So if helping verb is V1, we can choose the verb is V1. We can choose any one of the do or does. So does takes only he, she, it, or any other singular noun. So we can say do they do. So it is positive. So you can write negative. Don't they. So this is about how to write the question tag. Well, if the sentence cannot have any helping verbs. Okay, now let's see this. You can write. This is about the sentence formation. Now let's see here what we see. First, we can write the subject. Then we can add the question mark. Now let's see whether the sentence is statement is negative or positive. He likes chocolates, so there is no not. So the statement is positive. So we can write the negative question tag. So here there is no helping verb. Now we can see the verb. Verb is likes. It is V1. It contains yes or yes. Suppose if the verb contains yes or yes, we can write does. Right? Doesn't he? Now let's see the third one. First we can write the subject. We later the question tag mark. Now we can move to the statement, whether the statement is positive or negative. The statement is positive. So we can write the negative question tag. If there is any helping verb, there is no helping verb. Now we can see the verb. Here the verb is played. So if the verb is played, V2, then we can use the did. If the it takes negative question tag, we can write didn't we. Now let's see the fourth one. First we can see the police. The police. Here we can write they. The subject is they. And we can write the question mark. Then here police is not a singular, it is a plural. So now let's see any helping verb. Now let's see the statement is positive or negative. It is appears positive. So we can write the negative question tag. Now let's see any helping verb. There is no helping verb. Now we can know the helping verb. We can use the verb V2. Here the verb will then move to main verb. Here the main verb is V2. V2 we can write did. We can write negative question tag. We can write didn't they. Now let's see the fifth one. My students get the jobs. Now here students is plural. So we can write they question mark. Now let's see the statement is positive or negative. The statement is positive. So we can write a negative question tag. Now let's see the any helping verb. There is no helping verb. Now we can move to the main verb. Here the main verb is get. So you can do write the V1. So do don't they. Now let's see the fifth one. Chiranjeevi acts in movies. Here Chiranjeevi means he. Sorry for the disturbance. He. There we can take question mark. Now here Chiranjeevi is here. Now we can see the statement is positive or negative. Here the statement is positive. So we can write negative question tag. Any helping word? There is no helping word. Now let's see the main verb acts. Acts means SRES. Verb plus SRES we use does. And negative means uh, doesn't he. This is about the rule for. This is about the question tags. No, remaining rules we will continue from this next video. We will upload in the next video. Thanks for coming and joining. We will meet next video.